Good morning, everybody. It's Ramachandra. I am an IIT alumni. I started a channel, CIVIL-MECH Maths Concepts, for the young aspirants and engineers appearing for RRB and SSC examinations, GATE examination and UPSC examinations. This video I brought for RRB NTPC and its lecture number 1, Mathematics 1 and dealing with trigonometry. The examination may be in the first quarter of 2025 and these lectures can be treated as crash course. I will be moving little bit forward with speed and the lectures whatever are there, they are useful for SSC JE examination also, GATE examination and RRB NTPC examination. Please listen to me. Best of luck to everybody. And these courses, the syllabus of mathematics and reasoning, I'll try to finish off in another 30 or 40 days. Please listen to me. Best of luck to everybody again. Welcome everybody. My name is Ramachandra. मैं IIT का alumni हूँ. मैं मैथमेटिकल मॉडलिंग में कई प्रोजेक्ट्स किया हूँ. मैं पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग में भी काम किया हूँ. इस एक्सपीरियंस के साथ मैं एक चैनल चालू किया हूँ यूट्यूब में, सिविल मैथ्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स. मतलब सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में और मैथमेटिक्स में कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करने के लिए मैं एक चैनल खोला हूँ. उसमें गेट 2025 के लिए ऑलरेडी कुछ वीडियोस रखा हूँ. स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन जूनियर इंजीनियर्स सिविल इंजीनियरिंग और मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में कुछ वीडियोस रखा हूँ. टोटल 20 से ज़्यादा वीडियोस हैं मेरे चैनल में. मैं मैथमेटिक्स ओलंपियाड स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी 2 लेक्चर्स को रखा हूँ और मैं नॉन टेक्निकल कैंडिडेट्स के लिए भी मैथमेटिक्स में, रीजनिंग में कुछ वीडियोस रिलीज़ करने के लिए सोचा हूँ. ये मेरा फर्स्ट एंडीवर है कि RRB NTPC एग्ज़ाम 2024 का CBT 1 2025 का फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में होने वाला है. उसमें जो कैंडिडेट्स अपीयर हो रहे हैं लाखों में या करोड़ों में, मेरे लेक्चर्स का थ्रू उनको फ़ायदा पहुंचाने के लिए मैं RRB NTPC लेक्चर्स चालू किया हूँ आज से. These lectures are for RRB NTPC and SSC, SSC JE and GATE. कहीं भी कोई अर्थमेटिक्स का, जनरल मैथमेटिक्स का क्वेश्चंस और रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. आप मेरा इस वीडियो को रेफर कर सकते हैं. ये वीडियो अंत तक देखिएगा एंड इस वीडियो के साथ हर एक दिन में मैं एक वीडियो करके 30 दिन में 30 वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा टू द मैक्सिमम एक्सटेंट पॉसिबल. क्योंकि RRB NTPC का CBT 1 फर्स्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ 2025 में होने वाला है. ये हो सकता है कि फरवरी मार्च में एग्ज़ाम हो। इसका मतलब हमारे पास बहुत कम समय है। मैं इसीलिए इसको क्रैश कोर्स टाइप में कोर्स लेक्चर्स देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि समय बहुत कम है। आप लोग कई लोग अभी तक आप लोग सिलेबस कंप्लीट किए होंगे और मेहनत भी करके तैयारी भी कंप्लीट किए होंगे, मगर ये 20, 25 या 30 दिन अभी बाकी हैं। इन 30 दिनों में मैं आपको मैक्सिमम कॉन्सेप्ट्स दे दूंगा, ताकि इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स और ट्रिक्स को यूज़ करके आप एग्ज़ाम में मैक्सिमम मार्क्स हासिल करें। ये मेरी तमन्ना है। अभी एक आरआरबी एनटीपीसी एग्ज़ाम का जो सिलेबस है, सेम टाइप ऑफ सिलेबस आपको बैंक एग्ज़ाम में भी होगा। रीजनिंग और बैंक क्लर्क्स का एग्ज़ाम में रीजनिंग और मैथमेटिक्स, एसएससी में भी होगा, एसएससी जेई में भी होगा, गेट में भी मैथमेटिक्स और रीजनिंग है। थोड़ा हायर लेवल का हो सकता है, मगर आप बेसिक्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स के लिए अब कोई भी एग्ज़ाम में कैंडिडेट बनना चाहते हैं और एग्ज़ाम लिखना चाहते हैं, तो ये बेसिक्स और ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स को सुनिएगा और आपका नॉलेज को बढ़ाइएगा। हो सकता है कि मेरी बोली में थोड़ा बहुत अंतराल आ सकता है हिंदी में, तब मैं थोड़ा बहुत टेक्निकल वर्ड्स अंग्रेजी में यूज़ करूँगा। अभी देखिए, लेट अस सी द पैटर्न ऑफ द आरआरबी एग्जामिनेशन। पैटर्न ऐसा है, जनरल अवेयरनेस में 40 क्वेश्चन है और 40 मार्क्स हैं। जनरल अवेयरनेस सबसे ज़्यादा वाइड सब्जेक्ट है, इट्स ए वाइड सब्जेक्ट। वी कैन नॉट कवर एवरीथिंग इन जनरल अवेयरनेस। हम सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते हैं उसमें, ये फैक्ट है। मैथमेटिक्स में सिलेबस लिमिटेड है। हम प्रैक्टिस करके जो एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चन आते हैं, बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग वेल वी कैन स्कोर 100 आउट ऑफ 100। दैट मीन्स 100% मार्क्स ला सकते हैं। मेरे लेक्चर्स आपको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए बहुत मदद करेंगे। ये जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रीजनिंग में भी हम चाहे तो थोड़ा बहुत मेहनत करके 100% ला सकते हैं। मतलब ये 60 मार्क्स जो है, 60 मार्क्स में हम 100% स्कोर ला सकते हैं। हमारा जो CBT 1 में कट ऑफ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 80 का आसपास है। 80 का ऊपर भी हो सकता है। इट्स ओनली एवरेज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट विथ ऑल दी RRBs। 60 मार्क्स हम मैथमेटिक्स और जनरल इंटेलिजेंस रीजनिंग में लाएंगे, तो विथ आवर प्रिपरेशन इन जनरल अवेयरनेस वी कैन गेट अनदर 20-30 मार्क्स, सो दैट हम पार कर लेंगे CBT 1 को मेहनत करके। बट इसके लिए एक ही चीज़ चाहिए, हार्ड वर्क। हार्ड वर्क का अलावा कुछ नहीं है। आप हार्ड वर्क कीजिए, आप मार्क्स ला सकते हैं। यहाँ ये एग्ज़ाम में एक और चीज़ ध्यान रखिएगा, 100 क्वेश्चन हैं, 100 मार्क हैं। अब मान लीजिए कोई क्वेश्चन का आप जवाब मालूम नहीं है, आप गेस वर्क मत कीजिएगा। गेस वर्क का प्रोबेबिलिटी है 0.25। 4 ऑप्शंस हैं, 4 ऑप्शंस में प्रोबेबिलिटी आपका गेस वर्क का होगा 0.25। मगर आपका नेगेटिव मार्किंग 0.33 है। मतलब आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी जो करेक्ट होने का 1/4 है और आपका नेगेटिव मार्क 1/3 है। इसमें आप ज़्यादा मार्क्स खोएंगे गेसिंग करने से, इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग द मार्क्स आप ज़्यादा मार्क्स खोएंगे, क्योंकि 0.25 वर्सेस 0.33 आप खुद समझिए कि आपको गेसिंग नहीं करना है। यू शुड नेवर डू द गेसिंग वर्क, ये एग्ज़ाम में खास करके, क्योंकि यहाँ एक 1/4 है, 1/3 है। इसलिए हम गेसिंग का पक्ष में नहीं है। यू नेवर डू द गेसिंग, यू वर्क हार्ड एंड वर्क हार्ड। अभी डिटेल सिलेबस देखेंगे आरआरबी एनटीपीसी में। डिटेल सिलेबस जनरल अवेयरनेस का 40 मार्क्स में क्या क्या आएगा? करंट इवेंट्स, गेम्स, स्पोर्ट्स, इंडियन हिस्ट्री, फ्रीडम मूवमेंट और फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल। दिस बेस्ट बुक इज बिपिन चंद्रा। फिजिकल, सोशल, इकोनॉमी, ज्योग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया, इन सब चीज़ों के लिए एनसीईआरटी का बुक्स पढ़िए फ्रॉम 5th क्लास टू 10th क्लास। कंपलसरी एनसीईआरटी का बुक्स पढ़िएगा। फिजिकल, सोशल, इकोनॉमिकल, ज्योग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, इट कम्स अंडर करंट इवेंट्स। कंप्यूटर्स एंड फेमस पर्सनालिटीज, कंप्यूटर्स के लिए आप कोई भी बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का बुक पढ़ सकते हैं। इट इज कवर्ड इन एनसीईआरटी आल्सो नाउअडेज। फेमस पर्सनालिटीज, फ्लोरा, फोना, ये भी ज्योग्राफी में आएगा। एनसीईआरटी बुक्स फ्रॉम क्लास 5th to class 10th, everything, all the subjects, मैथमेटिक्स, साइंस एंड सोशल, तीनों सब्जेक्ट एनसीईआरटी का 5th क्लास नहीं तो 4th क्लास से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, 4th to 10th। If you thoroughly read these books, I feel you can get good marks in जनरल अवेयरनेस। आप जनरल अवेयरनेस में अच्छी मार्क्स ला सकते हैं। मगर एनसीईआरटी का 4th to 10th पढ़िए, बिपिन चंद्रा का फ्रीडम मूवमेंट का बुक पढ़िए, एंड बेसिक आईटी बुक कोई भी लेके पढ़िएगा। करंट इवेंट्स शायद आप लोग अभी तक पढ़े होंगे, एंड जनरल अवेयरनेस, दिस इज द बेटर वे हाउ टू गो अबाउट जनरल अवेयरनेस। देन नेक्स्ट कम्स मैथमेटिक्स। मैथमेटिक्स के लिए आई टोल्ड यू एनसीईआरटी मैथमेटिक्स फ्रॉम 4th क्लास टू 10th क्लास। उसमें आपको ज्योमेट्री, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, एलिमेंट्री स्टैटिस्टिक्स, एलिमेंट्री अलजेब्रा सब कुछ मिलेगा। बट हावेवर मैं लेक्चर्स दे रहा हूँ, आई एम गिविंग द लेक्चर्स, प्लीज लिसन टू माई लेक्चर्स ऑल्सो इन एडिशन टू एनसीईआरटी। and if you work hard, you can score 100 out of 100, that is 30 का ऊपर 30 आप ला सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रीजनिंग. उसमें आपको थोड़ा बहुत अपना लैंग्वेज का ऊपर पकड़ होना चाहिए, हिंदी या इंग्लिश, एंड इसके साथ साथ अल्फ़ाबेटिकल सीरीज, मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस, सिमिलरिटीज एंड डिफरेंसेस, रिलेशनशिप्स, एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग, jumbling, Venn diagram. Venn diagram is discussed in NCERT books. Puzzle, data sufficiency, statement conclusion, statement courses of action, decision making, maps, interpretation of graphs. ये सब चीज़ों के लिए आपको 4th to 10th तक NCERT बुक्स तो पढ़ना ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. उसके साथ साथ you can take some of the books of verbal and non-verbal reasoning by Sultan Chand. Verbal and non-verbal reasoning. सुल्तान चंद का आप कोई भी बुक लीजिए. Because I studied, I got benefited. I am not promoting any company or any name. Along with NCERT books, you go for Bipin Chandra, that is a very famous book, and Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by Sultan Chand Publications. That's what I followed. At your wish, you can follow any book. आप कोई भी बुक, स्टैंडर्ड बुक, कोई भी पब्लिकेशंस का आप स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स ले सकते हैं, जैसे McGraw-Hill editions हैं. There are many editions, many publications. You can take the book and read for verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Now, because we have very less time, I want to concentrate and go into the subject directly. सबसे फर्स्ट मैं मैथमेटिक्स. I want to start with mathematics, and in mathematics I want to start with trigonometry. Because trigonometry and geometry, people get confused. Even after many years of working or knowledge acquiring, even today, one of the toughest subjects is geometry, which is aided by trigonometry. Mathematics, I'll take up trigonometry first, so that from trigonometry we'll switch over to geometry. सबसे ज़्यादा toughest topic पहले लेना है. It's not arithmetics. It requires a little bit of hard work from your side. Long back, what happened? Many scientists tried to develop relation between the numbers. A number system भी है, we can say relation between the numbers. When they started finding the relation between the numbers, one of the most famous mathematicians, Pythagoras, has come out with a beautiful notion, with a beautiful theorem stating that triangle means 3 साइड हैं एक ट्रायंगल के लिए. In a triangle, this is 90 degrees, this is angle theta, लेट अस टेक ए ट्रायंगल, लेट अस टेक ए ट्रायंगल, एक ट्रायंगल ले लेंगे. दिस ट्रायंगल यू प्लीज कीप, अपना दिमाग में इसका इमेज रखिएगा. ट्रायंगल है ए बी सी, ए सी इज द हाइपोटेनस, कर्ण है वो, थीटा का अपोजिट साइड है 4, थीटा का एडजेसेंट साइड है 3, अपोजिट साइड, थीटा का अपोजिट साइड है सी बी, दैट इज 4 यूनिट है, थीटा का एडजेसेंट साइड है दैट इज ए बी, यूनिट्स 3 है, ए सी इज द कर्ण, हाइपोटेनस इट इज 5. ये 3, 4, 5 का ये ट्रायंगल is a famous triangle in the point of view of Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem says ये थीटा है तो एंगल का ये अपोजिट है, ये एडजेसेंट है, ये हाइपोटेनस. अभी मान लीजिए व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर, 3 स्क्वायर का वैल्यू है 9, 3 इंटू 3 9. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 4 स्क्वायर, 4 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 16. अभी 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर, व्हाट इज दैट वैल्यू, 9 प्लस 16 दैट इज इक्वल टू 25. 25 is nothing but 5 square. That means 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. You please remember this. I have taken my simple example लेके आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम और ट्रिग्नोमेट्री समझाना चाहता हूँ, कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. ये थीटा है 5 और 3 का बीच में, ये बी, ये सी. कभी भी कोई भी एंगल अपन रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, whenever we represent an angle and the point of angle should come in the mid, because the angle should be between two lines. तो लाइन का बीच में एंगल रहेगा, एक पॉइंट पे एंगल नहीं रहेगा. दिस थीटा इज बिटवीन सी ए एंड ए बी. सी ए एक लाइन है और ए बी एक लाइन है, ये दोनों लाइन का बीच में एंगल रहेगा. अभी देखिए एंगल सी ए बी, वाई वी हैव रिटन लाइक दिस, एंगल इज एट द पॉइंट ए. एंगल कहां पर है, पॉइंट ए पे है, मगर लाइंस कौन से हैं, एक सी ए है लाइन, दिस इज द लाइन, एंड एक लाइन ये है सी ए बी. सी ए बी लाइन में पॉइंट ये जॉइंट पॉइंट है, कॉमन पॉइंट है. एंगल सी ए बी इज इक्वल टू थीटा. नाउ यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द एंगल सी बी ए. इन सी बी ए common point is this one, B is the common point. Line is एक CB, one line is CB, another line is BA. This angle is equal to 90 degrees. And the famous triangle rule is sum of the angles in a triangle, sum of the angles in a triangle (180 degrees). This is very important. You remember this. I am going little fast because we don't have much time. Now, when sum of the angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree, इसमें क्या होगा, एंगल CAB, A is the common of the line CA and AB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA. These are the three angles is equal to 180. And we know CAB is equal to angle CAB कितना है? How much? Theta. Angle ABC is 90. Angle BCA is equal to, we don't know, हमें पता नहीं है, 180 degrees. कभी भी एंगल लिखते समय you should mention the degree, whether you are measuring it in degrees or in radians. रेडियंस में मेजर करते हैं तो आप RAD लिखिए, डिग्रीज में मेजर करते हैं तो डिग्री करिए, 90 डिग्री, 80 डिग्री, like this you denote it the angle. From this क्या होगा? एंगल BCA is equal to 180 degree minus theta minus 90 degrees. This will be 90 degrees minus theta. मतलब इसका मतलब एंगल BCA is 90 minus theta, 90 degree minus theta. Now, in a triangle of 3, 4, 5, in a triangle of 3, 4, 5, four, 3, 5, theta, 90 minus theta, and it is 90 degrees. This is ABC. In a triangle of ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees, angle BCA is 90 minus theta, angle CAB is equal to theta. Angle CAB is equal to theta, angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, angle BCA is equal to 90 minus theta. This is what we have got from properties of the triangle. ये प्रॉपर्टीज का, ट्रायंगल का प्रॉपर्टीज लेते हुए हम कुछ डेरिवेशंस करेंगे, वही ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है. दैट्स व्हाट इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. और वो डेरिवेशंस को बोलते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल आइडेंटिटीज. We derive certain quantities and formulae from this triangle and they are called the trigonometrical identities. This what we call opposite to theta is opposite side. थीटा का बाजू में जो है that is adjacent side. एंड इन दोनों को छोड़ने के बाद जो बचेगा वो हाइपोटेनस है, कर्ण है. इसको बोल सकते हैं आसन्न भुज, आसन्न भुज इन हिंदी, कर्ण अपोजिट. अभी मान लीजिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आइडेंटिटीज हम एक एक करके डिफाइन करेंगे. देयर आर 3 फेमस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल आइडेंटिटीज. वन इज साइन थीटा. Please pronounce it as sin theta. Another is cos theta. Another is tan theta. These are the basic identity. Sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by kern. What is this opposite side of theta? It is 4 by 5. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Asanna bhuj by kern. That is equal to 3 by 5. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. That is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse divided by adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Opposite side is how much? Sin theta is 4 by 5. Cos theta is 3 by 5. That is equal to 4 by 3. These are the three important basic fundamental identities. From this only बाकी आइडेंटिटीज को हम डिराइव करेंगे. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is sin theta by cos theta. ये तीनों चीज बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए. Then we'll go to the next level. 1 by sin theta. मैं sin theta को रिवर्स कर दूं, 1 से डिवाइड कर दूं. 1 by sin theta ये क्या होगा? हाइपोटेनस बाय ऑपोजिट साइड. Its value is 5 by 4. It is called as cosecant theta. One by cos theta, these are derived. सबसे पहले साइन थीटा, cos थीटा, tan थीटा मालूम होने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली बाकी सब आपको हो जाए. You will understand. It is hypotenuse by आसन्न भुज adjacent, that is equal to 5 by 3 is equal to secant theta. एक कोसिकेंट थीटा 1 by sin थीटा, 1 by cos थीटा is secant थीटा. अभी मान लीजिए 1 by tan थीटा क्या है? is adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is 3, opposite side is 4. That is equal to cot theta. There are 6 identities. There are 6 identities, out of which the last 3 are derived identities, and the fundamental identities are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. वो fundamental हैं. cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta वो derived हैं. अभी मान लीजिए हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का ऊपर आएंगे. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या है? ऑपोजिट साइड स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर. हम इधर वैल्यूज नहीं रखेंगे. 3 को क्या करेंगे, 4 को क्या करेंगे, ऑपोजिट साइड बोलेंगे. 3 को एडजेसेंट साइड बोलेंगे. ऑपोजिट साइड स्क्वायर प्लस एडजेसेंट स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एडजेसेंट साइड स्क्वायर प्लस ऑपोजिट साइड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5 is hypotenuse square. Opposite side square plus adjacent side square is equal to hypotenuse side square. Hypotenuse square. This is very, very, very important relation from Pythagoras theorem. Now, from the Pythagoras theorem, opposite square plus adjacent square a side same is equal to hypotenuse square. ये मैं दोनों साइड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड को मैं हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करता हूँ. क्या होगा? व्हाट हैपेंस देन opposite square by hypotenuse square plus adjacent square by hypotenuse square is equal to hypotenuse square by hypotenuse square. That is equal to 1 square, that is equal to 1. That means opposite by hypotenuse whole square लिख सकते हैं इसको. Adjacent by hypotenuse whole square is equal to 1. That means what is opposite by hypotenuse? Opposite by hypotenuse is sin theta. That is sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1. This we can simplify and write sin square theta. Sin theta whole square को sin square theta बोल के लिख सकते हैं. And cos theta whole square is cos square theta, that is equal to 1. Very, very, very important relation. That means it is the seventh definition. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now, I wanted to please remember by heart this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I want to divide this by cos square theta. Left hand side and right hand side I want to divide it by cos square theta. What happens? Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole divided by cos square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. That implies sin square theta by cos square theta plus 1 is equal to 1 by cos square theta. That means sin theta by cos theta whole square plus 1 is equal to 1 by cos theta whole square. From the definitions, what is sin theta by cos theta? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. That means, which implies tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Please remember this also. You need not remember this. These are all derivatives from our three identities and another equation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, मैं ये इक्वेशन को sin square theta by डिवाइड करूं, what happens? Sin square theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. From this equation we will call it as 1, which implies 1 plus cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta, which implies 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square is equal to 1 by sin square theta. That means 1 by sin theta whole square. That means 1 plus, what is cos theta by sin theta from our definitions? cos theta by sin theta, this is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta, 1 by tan theta is cot theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. What is the meaning of 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Cosecant square theta. This is another identity, another relation. That means we are slowly developing the equations like this. What are the equations? Now just we'll what you call summarize. Summarize करेंगे. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. इसका रिवर्सल कोसिकेंट थीटा इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनस बाय ऑपोजिट, that is equal to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot theta is equal to tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite, that is equal to cos theta by sin theta. From these definitions, we got things as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These are the 6. First 3 are the fundamental, remaining are all derived relations. These sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are the basic. बाकी सब derived हैं इन तीनों में से. And my suggestion, whenever any question is given, convert it into the fundamentals and then find the values. जब आप फंडामेंटल्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे आपको बहुत आसान हो जाएगा कोई भी प्रश्न का जवाब देना. I am looking for one good question from RRB, so that we will do some questions from RRB. Two, 3 questions we will do from trigonometry from RRB, so that you gain the confidence. You gain the confidence so that you will be able to answer any trigonometrical identity question in the examination. That's what is my aim is. Before going into solving the examination questions, let us try to understand for different values of theta, what will be the values of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. They are the fundamentals. Other values will be derived from these 3 fundamental quantities. Let us say we have seen it is a right angle triangle. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we have seen that if it is theta, let us say this is 3, this is 4 and curve is 5. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Asanabhoj. This is hypotenuse. Then ABC. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is 4 by 5. Cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. These are the values for a right angle triangle of 3, 4, 5 sides, where 3 is the adjacent side, 4 is the opposite side, 5 is the hypotenuse. This is 1. For example, opposite side is equal to adjacent side. Let us say it's like this. A, B, C. Opposite side is 1. Adjacent side is 1. What will be the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to square root of opposite side plus adjacent side. That is equal to square root of 2. If this is 90, if the sides are equal, this angle and this angle will be same, then 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees, which implies theta is equal to 45 degrees. The angles will be same because opposite side and adjacent side are same. Then we can say sin theta is equal to sin 45. That is equal to sin 45 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse is 1 by root 2. Please remember this. Cos theta is equal to cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to tan 45 is equal to sin theta by 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that is equal to 1. This is a very important identity. The values of sin 45 is equal to ultimately 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Now let us say the triangle is like this. This is 90. This is 30. This is 60. Let us say this 30 is, let us draw it with for scale, it will be better. Not to scale, but however little bit representative. This is 30, this is 60, because two sides total is 90. If this is 30, this is 60. 30 is theta, let us say. Then this is ABC. Let us say hypotenuse is 2. This is 1. This will be root 3. Because third, for theta is equal to 30 degrees. Opposite side is equal to 1. Hypotenuse is equal to 2. Therefore, adjacent side is equal to hypotenuse square minus opposite side square. That is equal to 4 minus 1 square. That is equal to 3. Therefore, adjacent side is equal to root 3. Now you tell me sin theta is equal to sin 30 is equal to 1 by hypotenuse is 2. Cos theta is equal to cos 30 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2. Tan theta is equal to tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is 1 by root 3. That implies for this triangle, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. For this type of triangle, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now let us take another example. Let us take the example like this. Let us take another example. Like this we will take. These are all very important concepts. Please remember them. If this is 30 and this is 60, this is equal to theta. Then this is 2. This is root 3. This is 1. As per Pythagoras theorem, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2, that is equal to sin 60. Cos theta is equal to cos 60 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to tan 60 is equal to adjacent opposite side by adjacent side, root 3 by 1, that is equal to root 3. Now you tell me the standard values For example, there is no triangle. Theta is 0. Another fourth. This is A, B, C. There is no opposite side. Opposite side and adjacent side are mixed. Then it is A, it is B and C. Opposite side is 0. Then what happens? Here theta is equal to 0. Then what will be the values? Sin theta is equal to sin 0 is equal to, what is opposite side? Opposite side is 0 divided by hypotenuse is adjacent side only. That is equal to 0. 0 by some value is equal to 0. That is mathematics. Then cos 0 is equal to cos theta is equal to cos 0 is equal to adjacent side AB, and hypotenuse is also adjacent and hypotenuse are same because there is no opposite side. When opposite side is absent, opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square implies when opposite is 0, it implies adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. That means adjacent is equal to hypotenuse. AB by B. That means AB by hypotenuse, AB by AB is equal to 1. Then tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to sin 0 by cos 0. That is equal to tan 0. That is equal sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. That is 0. You just understand how beautifully we are getting the values of the sin theta cos theta from understanding the Pythagoras theorem and understanding the defining only three trigonometrical identities. This implies sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0. Please, sometimes some questions can be asked on this. Another identity, another value, shall we go for? Yes, definitely. You may be having, I made opposite side as 0. Now let us make adjacent side as 0. What happens? Let us see. A triangle this is adjacent, this is theta, this is opposite. Opposite to theta is opposite. This is hypotenuse. When adjacent side becomes 0, what happens? This is C. Opposite side will exist and adjacent side will vanish. Adjacent side and this adjacent side and hypotenuse will be same. AC is equal to BC. If adjacent side is equal to 0. Now you tell me, define. Then what will be the angle? Angle will be, it becomes vertical when angle is 90 degrees. It becomes vertical when angle is 90 degrees. Please try to understand this. That means here theta is equal to 90 degrees. That implies sin 90 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC is equal to AC. BC by BC, that is equal to 1. Sin 90 is 1. Then cos theta is equal to cos 90. Cos 90 is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB. That is 0. AB is equal to 0 in this case. AB by AC. That is equal to 0 by AC. Whatever may be the value of AC, this will be 0. When you divide 0 by any number, that will be 0 only. Cos 90 is 0. Now I want to know tan 90. It is very interesting. Tan 90 is sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to sin 90 by cos 90, that is equal to 1 by 0. That means tan 90 is any number divided by 0 gives infinity. Please remember this. That means ultimately what we have got here, sin 90 is equal to 1, cos 90 is equal to 0, tan 90 is equal to infinity. Now can we summarize all the values for different thetas? Let us try to summarize. What is the summary? Theta is equal to 0. It implies sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Third one, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Fourth, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. And fifth identity, theta is equal to 90 degrees. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Tan 90 is equal to infinity. Please remember these, not remember, rather I can say please solve these, try and solve these. Repeatedly see my video, understand the values of these. On these values there can be a question. On these values there can be a question. There is a question. We are going to solve it. On these values there will be a question. Definitely. Because you have to get these values. You cannot deny. You have to understand these values. And these are the values for acute angle. Acute angle theta. That means theta is less than 90 degrees. In this diagram, triangle, theta is this, which is less than 90 degrees. What happens if theta varies? That is the topic of interest. For example, my right angle triangle is like this. I have taken theta as this. For example, my right angle triangle is not like this. Rather, my right angle triangle is like this. My theta is here. A, B, C. My theta is like this. Then what happens to tan theta, sin theta, cos theta values? Even the angle is a right angle triangle, even the right angle triangle is there. But if the position is, it is not a right angle triangle, if theta is more than 90 degrees, then we can't we define theta? Can we define theta in this condition? It's can we define theta if theta is more than 90 degrees. For that we require another class. That's a very interesting topic. There is a circle and in this circle there are 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. And first quadrant starts from here. Angle is measured in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise में angle को measure करेंगे. Please remember this rule. And from here यहाँ 0 है angle, यहाँ 90 degrees है, यहाँ 180 degrees है, यहाँ 270 degrees है, यहाँ 0 और 360 degrees. This is the cycle. And angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction. If angle theta is in the first quadrant less than 90 degrees, all the previous identities are valid. All are valid. Please remember, first quadrant all. And what happens in the second quadrant? From 90 degrees to 180 degrees in the second quadrant. This is all positive. In the second quadrant, sine positive. In the third quadrant, tan positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos positive. This is the rule. Please remember this rule as all silver tea cups. You went to your friend, he offered चाय आपको एक अच्छा सा सिल्वर कप में दिया है. Then you thought that all silver tea cups. All silver tea cups. This is the formula. This is the formula, all silver tea cups. First quadrant all. Second quadrant silver. This is second quadrant. Tea, third quadrant. Cups, fourth quadrant. All silver tea cups. All is denoted for all identities. Silver you can remember as a sign, positive. T you can take it as a first letter. Tan positive. And cups ka first letter is cos, cos positive. All silver tea cups. Now, please try to take it as a homework. Please try to give me the values of all sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta values. You give all these values when theta is equal to 135 degree, theta is equal to 270 degree, theta is equal to 300 degree. Let us say how much you will be right. Then sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, you give the values when theta is 135, 270 and 300. This is your homework. 135 is 90 plus 45. I have already given you 45 value. 270 is nothing but 90 plus 180. 300 is nothing but 360 minus 60. Or 270 plus 30. You first represent in the graph. And I am going to explain in detail these values and how to calculate the values. I will explain in detail in the next class. Please be ready with all these, studying all the whatever I have told you, studying all this. You please come with well prepared for the next class to try to understand the trigonometrical identities further. We have to move faster because time is very less. Now, one question, as I promised, I told you I will do 1 or 2 questions. I will do one question today from RRB examination 2022 or 2021. The question is, simplify tan theta minus divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. You please simplify. 4 options are given that you can get them whenever you go for simplifying. I told you in the beginning, you convert everything into the fundamental identities. What are the fundamental identities? I will give the solution. What are the fundamental identities? They are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Even tan theta is also derived. We can convert everything into sin theta and cos theta. These are the main fundamental. These are the main fundamental identities. Now, can you write this? Tan theta divided by 1 minus cos theta plus it is not cos theta, it is cot theta, sorry. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta. Sorry, I will change the ink. I will rewrite. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. That it can be written as sin theta by cos theta, tan theta from the definitions. 1 minus cos theta is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Like this we can write. Plus cos theta by sin theta, cot theta is divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. I think this way we can easily write. Then what happens if you expand? Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. If you do the elementary mathematics, plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta from elementary mathematics. Then sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Can we further simplify? Just think over. Can we further simplify? Can we do like this? Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta from basic mathematics only. Sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Can we take out 1 by sin theta minus cos theta as common, and we can say sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta? Can we say this? Yes. And when you do the ordinary elementary mathematics in the bracket, we can say 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by sin theta into cos theta. Do you agree? What is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. By applying this here, it will become 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into a cube. Sin cube theta, we will call it as a cube. This will become sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Do you agree this? This whole divided by sin theta cos theta. Then what happens? Next stage it will be 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the value? That is 1. We know already from the basics. 1 plus sin theta cos theta whole divided by sin theta cos theta. Then this sin theta minus cos theta and this sin theta minus cos theta will get struck off. Then answer will be, when simplified, the answer will be 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Then that will be 1 by sin theta cos theta plus 1. Then this will be 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta plus 1. That is equal to secant theta cosecant theta plus 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. You understood? I think you might have understood the process. This is how we have to do. Now, I will give the shortcut. If you are not able to do this way, what is the shortcut? Ultimately, in the examination, you have to get the answer as an alternate. Any theta we can take. We have already defined theta as an acute angle. And theta, let me say, if I put the value of theta as theta is equal to 45 degrees. Shortcut, it is shortcut. Don't use it always. It is a shortcut. If I put the value of theta is equal to 45 degrees, my question becomes tan theta by 1 minus cot theta. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Let me say instead of 45 degrees, let me say the value is, let us not take 45 and 0 and 90. Let us say theta is equal to 30 degrees. Then my question becomes, what will be my question value? Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. 1 minus cot 30 is root 3 plus what is cot 30? Root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3. From the right hand side, whatever answers are given, when you substitute theta is equal to 30 degrees, let us see what are the answers given there. This you use it whenever you are stuck up in a problem. If you feel that problem is lengthy, in that case only you please use it. That means elimination method. This value will be 1 by root 3 into 1 minus 1 by root 3 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3 into 1 minus 1 by root 3. This value I should get. What is root 3? Root 3 value 1.732. We know that 1 by root 3 will be 1 by 1.732. Those values you please calculate and keep it in your mind. What is root 3? What is 1 by root 3? I will give you that. These things also you have to remember. Root 3 is 1.32. Here I will put so that you remember. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 0.866. And 1 by root 3 is equal to 0.577. Now what happens? This value will be, question value will be 0.577 into 1 minus 0.577 plus 1.732 into 1 minus 1.732 whole divided by 1 minus 1.732. These are all approximate values we are getting. You just see. Don't get worried. 1 minus 0.577. This you please calculate. 0.577. 1 minus 0.577, what will be value? 0.423. 0.577 into 0.423 minus, because 1.732 is minus, is 1.732 into 1.732 whole divided by 1 minus 1.7 minus 0.732 into 0.423. This approximately you will get a value. You get approximate values only. If you are unable to do the traditional method, you follow this method. You get the answer. Assume some value of theta convenient to you. Assume some value of theta convenient to you. The same values you put in the what you call answers and you try to understand. Instead of 30, if you feel calculating all this is difficult, the famous Pythagoras theorem triangle, we can use that also. This is 4, this is 3 adjacent, and this is opposite. This also you please. This. And if it is theta, then what will be the question? What is the question? We are trying here. Which is the best one? I am giving you hint. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta. Plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. In this condition, you try to use this triangle, and in this condition, what will be value? Tan theta is equal to, from definitions we are going, opposite side by adjacent side, 4 by 3 to avoid square roots. 1 minus cot theta is tan theta ka inverse, that is 3 by 4. Okay, plus cot theta is 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 4 by 3. Let us see what it will be. It will be very easy to calculate. 4 by 3 into 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4. Sorry, divided by 1 by 4. That means 4 by 1 minus 3 by 4, because 1 minus 4 by 3 is negative, hence I put the negative here. 3 by 4 into 1 by 3, 3 by 1. That is equal to 16 by 3 minus 9 by 4. That is 64 minus 27 by 12. 64 minus 27 is how much? 47. No, 37. 37 by 12. That is approximately 3. 36 by 12 we can say, 37 by 12. This is the approximate value of the question. Then let us see answers. Secant A plus first alternate is given as secant A, secant theta plus cosecant theta. We will go by elimination method. What is secant theta? That is 1 by cos theta. What is cos theta here? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Then secant theta is equal to 5 by 3. Then sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Cosecant theta is equal to 5 by 4. That means secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 5 by 3 plus 5 by 4. That means This is nothing but 15 plus 20, 35 by 12. Answer should be 37 by 12. Hence it is not correct. B. Tan theta plus cot theta. What is tan theta? 4 by 3 plus 3 by 4. That means 16 plus 9 by 12. That is equal to 25 by 12. It is also not correct because it should be 37 by 12. C. 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Let us see. 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. 1 plus secant theta is equal to 5 by 3. Cosecant theta is equal to 5 by 4. That is equal to 1 plus 25 by 12. That is equal to 37 by 12. It is tallying. That means answer is C. Either way, this way if you go also, you will get the answer from the cos theta, sin theta definitions. Or else, if you take Pythagoras angle, that is 3, 4, 5 triangle, and solve it also, you will get the answer. If you are comfortable by taking the Pythagoras values, Pythagoras theorem values, 3, 4, 5 triangle 3, 4, 5 is always convenient for calculations. The complicated trigonometrical questions can be easily solved with this. This is the method we will follow, and you can even apply this method also. Question, you can take any theta, then you go by that, and if you are very good at your arithmetics calculations, then you can go for assuming some theta also, or you can directly go to the triangle and do it. That's up to you. You can do it the anyway. Why I have not taken 45 degrees? The reason being 1 minus cot theta. Cot theta, cot 45 is 1, and in the denominator 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Something divided by 0 will become infinity. That means it will become indeterminate form. It goes into the indeterminates. That I don't want. I want to go for a physical value like theta 30, theta 60, then 3, 4, 5 triangle, or theta 45. 45 in this case we have not gone. In other cases we can go for angle 45 also. That is the shortcut method. And the original method, which I always prefer you to learn, is the definitions. From the definitions you go, you will get the answer. Because each and every question is important. I am giving you shortcuts, and I am giving you tricks, and also I am giving you traditional methods. Whichever that suits in the examination for you, you use it, get the answer, and the answer will be definitely right in with either of the procedures. Okay, best of luck to everybody. In the next class, I will be taking up, as I told you, I will be taking up this one, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. How when you vary theta, instead of an acute angle less than 90 degrees, when we vary the theta for more than 90 degrees, what happens to the values and how they can be calculated, and how we can arrive at the calculations, and how we can arrive at answers in the questions. For example, I will show you one question which you try yourself, but if you are not confident, or if you have not got the answer correctly, or if you feel that it's a what you call lengthy, then I will give the shortcut also for this. This is another question. If, as a homework, I am going to solve it with shortcut, this question. If sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, then theta is equal to how much? This is a very nice problem. We'll solve it in the next class when I deal with positive signs, negative signs, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. The theta is not acute here. Theta may be in the is not in the first quadrant. It may be in the second, third or fourth. We have to find out the quadrant first. Then we have to find the theta value. That procedure I will explain you in the next class. Next class we will be dealing with values of trigonometrical identities if theta is greater than 90 degrees. Let's go for it and we will solve. Almost 2 to 3 questions are being asked on trigonometry, and once you master trigonometry, then geometry will be very easy for you. It will be easier. Then trigonometry and geometry may be some 4, 5, 6 questions for you. You will be able to easily solve them. That is what is my aim. Out of the 30 questions, maybe with trigonometry and geometry, you will be getting some 15 to 20% marks. Best of luck to everybody. Out of 30, 15 to 20% marks. Out of 30 you will be getting. If you thoroughly complete your trigonometric identities and geometry. Best of luck to everybody. Write well, prepare well, and if you have completed your syllabus also, please see my videos. Get an idea of shortcuts, tricks, methods, and if you feel something good for you, it is helping for you in the last 30 to 45 days of preparation in getting good marks, please review and comment on the quality of my lectures, and also subscribe to my channel, which is CIVIL-MECH Maths Concepts. This maths I am now dealing with, and this maths is a very important subject. I am dealing from SSC level mathematics to GATE level mathematics and UPSC level mathematics, because I have done projects on mathematical modeling, advanced mathematical modeling. Please subscribe to my channel, not only for RRB NTPC. You are writing SSC JE examination or SSC examination CGL or higher secondary also. These mathematical classes will be very useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel. And not only for this RRB NTPC, once this examination is over also in next 45 days, my continuation for teaching mathematics will go on till November for SSC JE and also for RRB 2025 and also for SSC 2025 candidates. Best of luck to everybody, and try to understand well, do the mathematics. There is no shortcut for mathematics. You have to do the mathematics. You cannot read the mathematics. You have to do the mathematics. Spend some time doing the mathematics so that in the examination it will be easier for you to answer them. Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening to me.